Welcome to Today's Past, where we explore the significant events in history that have taken place on the same day today in the past. From historic achievements to tragic moments and everything in between, these events have helped shape the world we live in today. Today, we'll take a closer look at one such event, the observation of supernova 1987A, which occurred on February 23, 1987, the same day today. Supernovae are incredibly powerful and awe-inspiring events, in which a star explodes and releases vast amounts of energy and matter into the universe. The explosion of a supernova can be so bright that it can outshine entire galaxies and be visible from Earth, even though it may be millions of light-years. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the fascinating and magical story of the supernova 1987A. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date on all our latest content. Here on Today's Past, exploring the echoes of history. Welcome. On February 23, 1987, the scientific community was amazed when supernova 1987A was observed in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. It was the first supernova visible to the naked eye since 1604, making it a rare and significant astronomical event. The supernova was first detected by astronomers at the Las Campanas Observatory in Chile, and it quickly became a major subject of study for researchers around the world. Supernovas are some of the most powerful and spectacular events in the universe, as they release huge amounts of energy and matter into space. Scientists were particularly interested in studying supernova 1987A because it was relatively close to Earth and offered a unique opportunity to observe the various stages of a supernova explosion. They used a wide range of instruments, including telescopes and X-ray detectors, to study the supernova's light emissions and learn more about its structure and evolution. One of the most fascinating discoveries was the detection of a neutrino burst by detectors in Japan and the United States. Neutrinos are subatomic particles that are produced in the early stages of a supernova, and their detection provided valuable insights into the physics of these explosions. In the years since the discovery of supernova 1987A, scientists have continued to study the event and its aftermath, using new technologies and techniques to unlock even more secrets about the universe and its history. The observation of supernova 1987A was a significant event in the history of astronomy, and it continues to captivate and inspire scientists and enthusiasts around the world. Supernova 1987A remains a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and researchers around the world, and its discovery on February 23, 1987 marked a major milestone in our understanding of the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and uncover new secrets, events like this serve as a reminder of the infinite wonders and mysteries that await us. If you enjoyed learning about supernova 1987A and the amazing discoveries that were made, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date on all our latest content. As we wrap up today's exploration of the historic events that have occurred on February 23, we encourage you to share your own personal experiences from this day in the past. Whether it was a life-changing moment or just a memorable event, we want to hear from you. So please feel free to share your stories in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for joining us today on Today's Past.